Hello friends, welcome to Creator Stop. This is Amruta and today we are going to do this beautiful watercolor painting. In this tutorial we will learn how to blend the colors together and how to use spray paint technique. Before we start with the tutorial, if you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell button. So come on, let's start. Let's put duct tape on the edges of our paper. So we will get nice and clean frame around our painting at the end. Paint the background with light blue color and at the bottom use a little green shade. Make sure you're using wet on wet technique here. So your blue paint should be wet when you're using green paint on it. So it will get blended properly. Let it get dry, and once your background is completely dry, cover the top part with the help of a paper and then spray few shades of green. Here I am spraying 3 different shades of green with the help of a brush. It gives a really nice effect to our painting. Now let it get dry. Till then, let's draw our abstract flowers. Now here I am using backside of my brush to put some dots. Now let's peel off the tape. Look at this beautiful painting. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, then hit the like button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and also subscribe to my channel. I will be back soon with more creative ideas. Till then, keep watching. Bye bye.